The success of any B2B conference, expo, or webinar comes down to one absolute metric: filling the seats with high-value decision makers. Yet, traditional event promotion rarely optimizes for attendance. Instead, organizers often focus on initial awareness, running campaigns designed around generating ad impressions and email open rates. The problem is that seeing an ad or even opening a promotional email is a long way from a commitment to attend. Without a deliberate path to a confirmed registration, you end up with an empty hall and frustrated sponsors. The standard marketing playbook tries to solve this by sending isolated one-time email blasts to massive generic audience lists. In a typical campaign, large traffic hits a single email channel. Without multi-touch follow-up, potential attendees fall off the path. Even if they click, they hit exact drop-off points, leading to registration abandonment. The campaign goes cold. Tracking down every one of those non-responders manually to bring them back to the registration page is an impossible workload for a human marketing team. Isolated campaigns and manual efforts lack the persistent engagement required to turn passive interest into an active registration. Reach Marketing developed the Marketing AI Event Accelerator to replace those fragmented tools with a unified system built entirely around conversion-driven attendee acquisition. This diagram illustrates the shift away from generic list building. A massive audience is filtered through AI layers, analyzing specific industries, job titles, and buying influence to isolate a highly concentrated group of ideal attendees. Identifying this specific profile dictates the architecture for the rest of the campaign. Starting with precision targeting ensures that your marketing resources are spent exclusively on prospects who have the actual authority and intent to attend. Once the target audience is locked, the system discards the one-off email blasts and initiates continuous, orchestrated outreach. A unified network of email, display, and sponsored messaging locks into orbit around a prospect, continuously promoting keynote speakers and networking. As they progress along a timeline, automated checkpoints trigger specific responses. If they stall, the timeline loops back, pivoting messaging to re-engage non-responders. This relentless coordination creates a digital gravity that continuously pulls the prospect toward the registration page. An omnipresent automated nurture sequence replaces the chaos of manual follow-up with an engagement net that prospects cannot easily ignore. The intelligence engine driving these workflows is behavioral intent tracking. This dashboard maps a user's digital footprint. The AI monitors digital body language, lighting up specific nodes when a user visits a page or starts a registration. These intent signals act as triggers, instantly moving a warmed-up lead into a dedicated conversion workflow. By reading behavioral data in real time, the system prioritizes high-value prospects at the exact moment they are ready to act, removing guesswork. The chaotic, leaky funnel is replaced by a streamlined machine focused on completed registrations. Event organizers see a direct impact through reduced registration abandonment and an increase in total attendees. By securing high-intent attendees, organizers provide exhibitors and sponsors with the specific buyer profiles they paid to meet, improving the return on their investment. Filling a room requires a shift from hope-based promotion to a systematic, intelligent AI engine that captures and converts interest. Evaluate where your current registration process is leaking potential attendees, and consider upgrading from fractured tools to an integrated acquisition system. Download the white paper, Turning Event Interest into Confirmed Registrations, or schedule a strategy call with Reach Marketing today.